To import your EveryDollar debt snowball, follow these steps. First, log into your EveryDollar account and navigate to the debt section. Identify the debts you want to include in your debt snowball, such as credit cards, personal loans, or mortgages. Next, gather the necessary information for each debt, including the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. You can find this information on your latest statements or by contacting your creditors. Now, create a list of your debts, starting with the one with the smallest balance and working your way up to the largest. This is the foundation of the debt snowball method, which prioritizes paying off smaller debts first to build momentum and confidence. In EveryDollar, click on the Add Debt button and enter the information for each debt, one at a time. Be sure to include the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment for each debt. Once you have added all your debts, EveryDollar will help you create a personalized plan to pay off your debts using the debt snowball method. This plan will show you how much to pay each month and which debt to focus on first. To get the most out of your debt snowball plan, make sure to review and update it regularly. As you pay off debts, you will need to adjust your plan to reflect the changes. By following these steps and using the debt snowball method in EveryDollar, you can take control of your debt and make progress towards becoming debt-free. Remember to stay committed to your plan and make adjustments as needed to achieve your financial goals. It is also important to note that while the debt snowball method can be an effective way to pay off debt, it may not always be the most efficient method. Some people prefer to use the debt avalanche method, which prioritizes paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Ultimately, the key to success is to find a method that works for you and to stick to it. By using EveryDollar and the debt snowball method, you can create a personalized plan to pay off your debt and achieve financial freedom.